Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a super practical and creative project, how to make double-sided bookmarks in Canva. Whether you're whipping up cute custom gifts, jazzing up your own reading routine, or maybe even planning something for a classroom or book club, by the end of this tutorial you'll know exactly how to design and export polished, professional-looking double-sided bookmarks, even if you're a complete beginner in Canva. Let's jump right in and I'll break it down step by step. So first things first, when you're in Canva, you'll want to set up the exact size for your bookmarks. To do this, you need to click on Custom Size, which you'll find right at the top of the Canva homepage. It might be tempting to dive into one of the lovely pre-made options, but Custom Size really puts you in the driver's seat. That way, your bookmarks will print out at just the dimensions you want, no awkward trimming or resizing later. Now for the next step, enter the size 8 by 11 inches, then click Create New Design. 8 by 11 inches is the standard size of a sheet of printer paper, so this setting lets you create a whole page full of bookmarks that you can print at home or at any print shop, easy as that. By working with this size, you can fit multiple bookmarks on one sheet, which saves paper, time, and gives you a little room to experiment. Once your blank canvas is open, slide over to the Design tab and select Template. Canva has a huge range of eye-catching designs, from earthy and minimal to playful and bold. Don't be afraid to browse for a few minutes or even search terms like bookmark to get templates tailored to your project. Just pick a design that speaks to you or fits the vibe you're after, maybe something with space for a favorite quote or a colorful pattern reminiscent of your favorite novel. You can always tweak the colors, fonts, and illustrations once it's on your canvas, so feel free to let your imagination run wild. Here comes a crucial but easy to miss step. Since we're making double-sided bookmarks, you'll want to add a new page for the back side of your bookmark. Just click Add Page at the bottom of your current design. Then pick out a second template for this back side. It can match the front, contrast it, or maybe you want to use this space for a personal message, a pattern, or even a "This book belongs to" section. Think of it like the difference between the cover of a book and its back. Both can be fun and expressive. Okay, now that you've designed both sides, it's time to seal the deal. Head up to the Share button in the upper right corner and select Download. Here, Canva will let you choose your file type. I recommend PDF print for the best quality if you're printing. Just make sure to keep the bleed settings on if you want to avoid any white edges after you cut your bookmarks out. This part might take a few moments as Canva gets your design ready for download, so just let it work its magic. And that's it, you now have a beautiful double-sided bookmark design ready to print, cut out, and enjoy or gift to your favorite reader. See, super simple but with room for tons of creativity. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or design requests. I love hearing your ideas. And of course, subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy creating.